A lot of stuff coming out with the Epstein files. I don't know if you guys have seen all of that. I don't know how much I can or can't say on here before I get down regulated. Go check it out. There's a lot of things, so if you want to go back and look, I had a tweet on February 26th, a year ago, where I talked about, wouldn't it be interesting if Epstein was tied to Bitcoin in some way? I wonder what that would do to the asset. Well, here we are, and it's falling quickly. You've got macroeconomic events playing out that we've been talking about for a long time over there in the Middle East with oil and Iran and Israel and the U.S. A lot of our military over there praying for them right now. Hopefully that doesn't lead to an escalation of things, but I do think that they will shut down the Strait of Hormuz at some point, which is going to cause oil to spike and the full domino theory to play out. And we know that the first place that they're going to implement distributed ledger technology is on the back end of the stock market. Because that's where, Monica Long was interviewing president of NASDAQ, and that's what she said. Those aren't my words. But that is something that I've said for a long time. They moved to T+1 on May 28th in 2024. I remember the day I watched Brad Garlinghouse speak at Consensus when that happened. And that was the first time that he had ever talked about XRP being on their balance sheet in evaluation for the company. And then, we've been sitting there at T+1 till now. They can move to T+0 the same way, when they passed that, they said that they could move to T+0 if there was enough liquidity in a digital asset to be able to provide instant settlement. And we know, Project Ion was finalized between the DTCC and R3 back in 2022, August of 2022. And its primary settlement mechanism is, you guessed it, XRP. So that's probably a good time for my disclaimer. Nothing here is financial advice. It's only for entertainment and education purposes. You should always speak with a financial professional, somebody